I don't want water. Ashley, the confused one, come here. The confused one. Oh, burned. Hot. Straight and hot. I think it's really hot. Ah, shh. It's hot. No! How did that happen? Oh no, all of a sudden you're just like... No, it was like this. Okay. What's up, my niggas? Shut up. Okay. Homie nigga. Look how stupid you look. Homie nigga. I know, I saw. Oh shit, it's hot. Girl, smack the freckles off your face. The freckles off your face. She got that from me, you know. Oh, okay. Yeah, hot. Hot. Yeah. Oh.
What the?
You guys hit them all?
No.
How's my hair?
I'm gonna run to the store though.
Can I get a charger real quick?
No.
I have money.
No way.
I need a new
I
charger.
don't know where they are.
Verizon. Oh, I should have brought my $10. Damn it. At the mall.
Nope.
You can take us to the mall?
I'm not going. Nope, I'm not going that far.
Fine.
Going
Can you
right
take us
around the
tomorrow?
corner. Probably not.
No problem not.
Please, Andrew.
Maybe.
Thank you.
Please.
No.
No! Say it again, Emily.
Okay, I'll be right back.
What?
Please. He said maybe. Please, 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 Andrew. Andrew, please. That's Bryce's brush. You know that? That have like lice in it. Yeah, and you've been using it all those weeks.
It has
Yeah. Wait, what? Ow! So you wanna go? I'm going.
Go where?